Hey guys, it's Joe with Panda Cooking. Here we are on the Big Island of Hawaii. My friend Mike is filming this so he gets a delicious spring roll. In our community, we have a lot of communal resources, including this delightful area over here. I noticed two of these giant containers of spring rolls. So a lot of people get confused by this, especially if you didn't grow up in the culture. I didn't grow up in this culture. This is like a Vietnamese type thing. They're like really dry and hard and brittle until you soak them, and then they become extremely pliable. I would describe it as like a latexy, stretchy, wet tortilla. So if you know how to roll a burrito, you probably know how to make a spring roll. So we're gonna take some communal salad slaw that our friend Elliot made. We're gonna put a good amount of this because we're out of rice, so we're gonna make it a really crunchy veggie one. So I try to take the more drier slaw so there's not too much liquid in it. So we fold that in. Then we're going to take a little avocado, add some healthy fats up in here. There we go. Healthy avocado. And you can put any filling that you want. The ones I made earlier for my friends had more traditional kind of Thai spices and like fish sauce. I guess it wasn't technically vegan since I added the fish sauce, but that's more traditional. I like to take a little squeeze of lemon. We have this fancy lemon holder. Kind of keep the avocado fresh and add like a bit of citrus elements. And then this is a fancy thing that we have in our community. Someone here made durian paste, which I think is they just took durian that was super ripe and added it to miso. And it has like a very kind of savory umami element. I'm going to put a little smear right on the edge top here. And then there you go. That's all you kind of just assemble it like a burrito. And then you take this. Like you want to taste this, see if you actually like the flavor. Lick the end of this and tell me if you actually like the flavor of the durian. Good sound effect. It's interesting, right? It tastes both like durian and miso. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Okay, so then you might want to zoom in on this. You take the edge wrap of this. I like to start from the heavier side. So the heavier side would be, I think, the avocado side. You stretch it over. Look how stretchy it is, and you kind of tuck it in. So, and then you kind of roll it just the same way you would do a burrito. I take the ends and I fold it over. So you kind of like wrap a little pocket. There's a little bit of liquid. I might let some of that liquid drip out. But you kind of roll it kind of as tight as you feel comfortable rolling it. And then, bam. There you go, spring roll. This one's a little wet because it's got stuff in it. It's all from Mike. There you go, Mike. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in to Panda Cooking After Dark on the Big Island of Hawaii. Later, everybody. Later. And then we clean up after ourselves because we are in a communal kitchen.
Okay, clean up, eat.